Well, hello. So, are you excited? I'm excited as well. Let's get this party started finally. So, official name for this build will be the best Mitsubishi Evolution Tamiya RC car build on a YouTube, because simply that's what I'm going after. I have done my research and I know for sure what has been done already and what is in this head here, so we'll see how that goes. In this video I will start building out the chassis. I don't know if we will get to the actual kind of rolling chassis because there is quite a bit things to do, but yeah, I'm not gonna go in detail because there is too many videos already on YouTube about building this chassis out, going into the details, so they are quite good, so why should I film something like that? So this part I want to move as fast as possible, and then we will get to the interesting part, which will be the actual kind of body and everything related to that. I do believe I will have loads of issues because this is kind of my first build here, and yeah, I hope on your help, that your knowledge and your kind of vision can help me out with this build. So jump in the comment section and let me know your thoughts about all this kind of project, and yeah, let's get started building. Okay, so there are some safety stickers which we'll see if we will be using, but this is basically the manual, which is already telling here that we need to pay attention how to build this car, because there is a difference probably depending of what kind of body you are using. So as it is first build, I will probably now just go over quickly. We'll see what is kind of here in this manual, and yeah, then we will start building.